Ollie the Owl Who Forgot How to Hoot. Ollie the Owl in his tree so high felt quite shy, and no one knew why. By day he'd nap, by night he'd stare, perched in silence, just ruffling his hair. One starry night, to his great surprise, Ollie opened his beak and couldn't vocalize. Not a hoot, nor a toot, nor a tiny peep. Poor Ollie the Owl couldn't make a beep. "What's going on?" asked his friend, the bat. "An owl who's silent? Imagine that!" They pondered and thought, "What could it be?" "Perhaps he's forgotten," laughed the chickadee. So the creatures of night from near and far came to help Ollie under the evening star. The cricket brought his violin, the frog his bassoon. "We'll have a hootenanny under the moon." They played and they played, all through the night, trying to help Ollie get his hoot just right. With a deep breath in and a wise old blink, Ollie opened wide, and what do you think? Out came a hoot, so loud and so clear, all the forest rejoiced. "Ollie's back! Let's cheer!" From then on, Ollie hooted with glee, the happiest owl that you ever did see. So if you hear hooting from a tree so high, that's just Ollie the Owl, chatting with the sky. No longer shy, with his hoot so sweet, Ollie's the jolliest owl you ever could meet. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next video. Bye-bye!